All right, hello. This is Davey, your dreaded crypto maniac, coming at you. February 1st, 2021. Just kind of taking a look at the charts real quick. Looking at XRP. It had a crazy pump. I'm sure everybody's freaking out about it who watches XRP or cares about it. A lot of people hate on it, but it broke out of the channel and it's looking pretty bullish. But with the whole Reddit pump, basically all of those people that are on that thread and the people that with the real money, they sold off on the top. It's unfortunate, honestly. It's too bad that more people just didn't hold on to it, but people want their money and they don't believe in XRP that much. So this is a trader pump. It wasn't so much a fundamental pump, and that kind of makes sense. If it's all just traders, pushing this thing, it's going to make it look more manipulated and have a giant wick like we have right now. But it's still bullish. It's just coming down to test support, the previous resistance, which is around 31 to 35 cents. We may have already bottomed, but we haven't really gotten much of a buyback wick yet. We're kind of around 36, 37 cents right now. I'm still long on it. I actually had some longs and I took some profits in the 50-cent region. I was expecting it to consolidate and kind of break into this box zone around the 40-cent region. But now, it might still happen. Maybe we'll come up here tonight and kind of bounce around in here for a while before going up. But I'm, still bullish. We're in a bull market. I think XRP will do well, especially if Garlinghouse and all of the Ripple XRP people have some good news to bring with SEC. Yeah, if SEC tries to strike them down pretty hard, it's probably over. It's end game, but I don't think that's going to happen. But BTC had a strong monthly close. A lot of people were scared about the monthly close on it for good reason. It was looking kind of rough, but we wanted at least 32,000 close on the monthly. We got like a 33.5, something where we are right now actually. So it's looking pretty good. Just consolidating, continuing consolidation. Ethereum is looking like it wants to break out, and Link is still holding really strong. And really, it's just everything, the fundamentals, everything looks really good, but there is some dumping going on and some manipulation. So it could get a little crazy. Even though we had the monthly close at 32.5 or 33, we could still fall down to like the 27 region and test the 21 week moving average. I imagine by then we'll probably be getting into the middle. Yeah, like within the next couple weeks, the 21 week moving average will probably be 25,000, 26,000. So it wouldn't be out of question for us to actually hit that. So, or maybe we go up and top out again and then pull back and then come back to the 21 week. But pretty much for sure going to be hitting 21 week moving average again, which is at now it's at 23. It's at 23,000, almost 24. That's insane. That's great, great. So no matter what, I'm pretty bullish on all of this. I'm not a very aggressive trader. I do like low leverage macro trading. So, for a while I was trying to do 10x and 20x trading, and I was just always stressed and pacing around, pulling my hair out, thinking I was going to lose all my money. And sometimes I did, and sometimes I made a lot of money, but it was just awful. If you're into that kind of lifestyle and not sleeping, I'd say go for that. It looks like the altcoins are popping off pretty good. The DeFi season and decentralization is the topic right now. DeFi, Ethereum, ZIL, Uni, DOT, everything's looking pretty good. But we still need to recharge the weekly RSI. And that can be recharged by us just being kind of like straight across the board, or falling down. Which, if we fell down, we come down we would probably come out of the 20-week moving average. But if we just consolidate, same thing, you know. So I guess I'm not expecting any big moves with Bitcoin, probably till the end of the month or spring. It might be like even more delayed than that. Maybe it's more of an Ethereum altcoin season for the next month. I think that makes more sense to me. So, and just a little note, last cycle, a lot of times, so Bitcoin would lead, and then about a month behind that is when, say, Ethereum would top out. And I believe Bitcoin hit the top the beginning, it was January 5th or January 7th. So we're coming up on that 1 month time zone, and you know, we haven't really, I mean, altcoins have been doing good, but Ethereum hasn't really gone on a huge run like Bitcoin did. So we'll have to see where it goes. I think it's really building up. Let's actually take a look at it if I can find it. There we go. Yeah, I think this is, I mean, it has been smacking up against this 1400 resistance, like it is at the very edge of this ascending triangle, and it just looks like it wants to blow out of the town. It might even happen while I'm talking right now. Yeah, I mean, it's just primed. 2,000, 2,500 would be end of the week prediction. You know, we could come down and have a little fake out. Sometimes that'll happen, a fake wick out, and could then come back out. But with all the exuberance right now, it seems unlikely. Fake outs like that usually happen like either in consolidations or bear markets, and we're in a bull market. It favors the upside right now. So yeah, Litecoin's been a little bit boring. Kind of looks scary to me because it looks like a descending triangle, which is bearish. Like a breakdown back down to 90. Yeah, like $90 could happen. Which reminds me I need to adjust one of my trades in case that does happen. Yeah. Oh yeah, and as far as the markets today, super weird. I hold a lot of silver and gold stocks. I was talking to my buddy yesterday, and he was telling me about the Reddit market manipulation, and I was like, yeah, that makes sense. So, like, basically this morning, silver, in particular silver, gold too, but silver was just, it was up 10, 15% on a lot of my stocks. So I wake up and actually, all right, well, I want to take a little bit of profit and, you know, cycle that into something else or just wait. Well, I had 10 stocks of silver, you know, different ETFs and stuff, and it wouldn't let me sell at those prices. It was just like frozen out market orders, and that never happens. I'm guessing the selling pressure, I don't know. No one was buying it. It was super weird. Like, why is that being taken away from me? And then when I finally got to get the orders to sell, I got crappy prices for it. And I guess that's what everyone's so mad about, all the GameStop stuff. And it makes sense. It's just, or maybe the system was just overloaded and it couldn't handle it. But either way, it's unacceptable. Like, I wanted to sell it and I couldn't sell it. And otherwise, it should have been easy to sell it. But gold and silver are about to run. You know, I think that's what's happening. Blockchain stocks are probably pretty safe. Some tech stocks are safe, but I'm not trusting the stock market. I'm not trusting the United States in general. So be that as you would, you know, whatever it is. But gold and silver and seem to be a lot more stable and safe right now with the whole world phenomenon happening. 33,006. Yeah, I mean, if we can get above, it's on the daily right now. If we can get above this daily moving average, which we're kind of fighting it right now, get above that this line of resistance, and maybe get into this Fibonacci zone. You know, maybe we'll bounce around in here, but that could be really bullish. Or maybe we come back in here and kind of create a giant ascending triangle. You know, or maybe we actually get a inverse head and shoulders. Maybe we come up here, fall down, then come back up, and that'd be like an inverse head and shoulders pattern. You know, either or. It's in consolidation. Anyway, I just wanted to update about the XRP thing. I'm sure a lot of people were really bearish about it. and it could go down to 31 cents again, which would be ridiculous. It's annoying that it got manipulated that hard. But it is what it is. Hopefully it comes back up. Maybe it just all dies like that. Anyways, that's it for me today. Catch you back tomorrow. Peace.